It's relatively easy to add forms to any page, post, or widget on our site. You can set up notifications to receive an email when someone submits the form. And you can also export all entries as a spreadsheet. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basic steps to create a form. Once you log into the back end of your site, go to Forms and click Add New. Hover over Form Title and click Edit to change the title and description. Select the type of field you want to add to your form. For example, click Radio Buttons, and the default settings will be added to your form. Customize the field options. Again, hover over the new field and click Edit. Then type in the choices you'd like to add. Check Required if the field is mandatory. Repeat these steps until you have all the fields you need. You can drag and drop the fields to rearrange the order at any point. The advanced fields contain pre-formatted address, email, and other fields, so you don't have to create those yourself. For more info on that, see the written tutorial. Once you've finished setting up the form, click Save Form. You can preview the form, or you can go ahead and set up email notifications. Congrats! Now you've finished completing your form. When you set up email notifications, you are basically building the email that you will receive when someone submits the form. Enter your email address, the from name that will display on the email, and so on. You can leave most of these settings to the default value. You can also tell the form to email different addresses depending on what people submitted. Use routing to set this up. You can set up multiple routing rules for as many fields as you like. Now that your form is built, go to the section where you want it. Click Add Form. Then select the form that you just built and insert the form onto the page. Before you publish the page, all you will see in the content editor is something like this. That's a shortcode that will pull up the entire form and embed it onto the page. Go ahead and publish or update the page. Click View Page and see your beautiful new form ready for submissions. You should fill it out yourself to make sure everything works accordingly. If you need to edit your form, just go back to Forms. You don't need to edit the shortcode. If you set up email notifications, you will receive an email every time someone submits the form. If you'd rather see all the entries at once, go back to Forms and select Entries. You can also click Import Export to export a spreadsheet of the entries received. You can select which fields to export and narrow down submissions by date. That's everything. See the written tutorial for advanced options. Good luck!